Now friends, exercise 3.6, it's question number 2. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. Friends, its first question, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Look here friends, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and here 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water, यानी जब पानी स्थिर हो तब रितु का स्पीड फाइंड करना है एंड द स्पीड ऑफ करंट यानी पानी का जो प्रवाह बह रहा है उसका स्पीड फाइंड करना है. फ्रेंड्स, वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड हियर फर्स्ट what we have to find here. What we have to find here? We have to find let the speed of Ritu's speed Ritu's speed of rowing in still water bx हमने रितु का स्पीड x एज्यूम किया है. द स्पीड ऑफ करंट b1. Friends, first we understand here, this is still water, speed of Ritu is x, suppose this is a speed of current. Here one girl is standing here, her speed is x, the speed of current be y, the speed of this current be y, इसका स्पीड a डायरेक्शन में y है. रितु डाउनस्ट्रीम में जा रही है, a डायरेक्शन में रितु का स्पीड है x plus y. In this direction the speed of Ritu be x plus y. friends, रितु का खुद का स्पीड कितना है x, the speed of the current be y, so Ritu's total speed is x plus y in this direction. This is the downstream. Now Ritu will come from here to here, her speed is x and the speed of current be y. रितु का स्पीड x है, अगर a डायरेक्शन में आती है तो स्पीड क्या होगा फ्रेंड्स, अपस्ट्रीम में x minus y. Here understand it, speed of Ritu be x, the speed of current be y, यानी पानी का जो प्रवाह बह रहा है उसका स्पीड y है. a डायरेक्शन में बच्चों इसका स्पीड क्या है, x plus y. रितु का खुद का स्पीड x and the speed of current, adding this, so it's her total speed in a downstream is x plus y. If c will come upstream, her speed is x, the current is going in this direction, so Ritu is going in the opposite direction, so her speed is x minus y. So friends, here we write Ritu's speed in downstream b x plus y, यानी डाउनस्ट्रीम में उसका स्पीड क्या होगा x plus y, एंड रितु's स्पीड इन upstream b x minus y. Okay friends, here I explained the diagram. Ritu's on speed is x, the speed of the current is y, so in this direction the speed is x plus y, in the opposite direction the speed is x minus y. Now friends, now what we write here we write Ritu's speed, rowing speed is x, the speed of current be y, Ritu's speed in downstream be x plus y, and Ritu's speed in upstream be x minus y. Friends, अभी ये जो डायरेक्शन है उसमें ऋतु कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करती है? For downstream, the distance is 20 kilometer in 2 hours. So what will we write the formula? Time is equal, ds याद रखना है, distance upon speed. What is the time taken by her? 2 hours. T is equal ds याद रखना है friends. T is equal ds, time is equal distance upon speed, time is equal distance upon speed. The distance she covered 20 kilometer and the speed her speed is x plus y. Distance 20 kilometer, speed x plus y, so we write here x plus y. Now friends, take alternate. अगर इन दोनों को हम एक दूसरे की जगह पे लिखते हैं तो उसको alternate बोलते हैं. x plus y 20, this 2b, अगर 2 इधर रखते हैं तो बाद में इधर डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगा, 2 कट 10 2 जा 2 2 कट, so x plus y is equal to 12. We get the first equation. Now friends, for upstream, the distance covered by him, say distance 4 kilometer, the distance be 4 kilometer, speed be x minus y in 2 hours. So what happened here friends? Time is equal d upon s, distance upon speed. Time is equal to 2 hours, यानी a direction में उसने 20 किलोमीटर कवर किया in 2 hours, but in upstream she covered only 4 kilometer and the speed be x minus y. Now we take here alternate. So x minus y is equal 4 by 2. 2 cut. So x minus y is equal to, we got the second equation. Now friends, here in this sum, the important part of this sum is to get the equations. Once again I explain you, for downstream the distance will be 20 kilometer, Ritu travel 20 kilometer in this direction, and then after in this direction she covered 4 kilometer. A direction में 4 किलोमीटर है, A direction में वो 20 किलोमीटर जाती है. So the distance is 20 kilometer, the speed is x plus y, and she take 2 hours. So we write here time is equal to ds, time is 2 hours, distance is 20 kilometer, the speed be x plus y. We take here alternate, x plus y is equal to 20 by 2, 10 to the 2 cut, so x plus y is equal to 10. Now for upstream the distance भी अगर upstream में आती है तो वो 4 किलोमीटर कवर करती है, so the distance is 4 kilometer, हर स्पीड, उसका खुद का स्पीड x है, वो ऐसे चलती है. द करंट इज गोइंग ऑन दिस डायरेक्शन, both are in opposite direction. So speed of Ritu is x minus y. Speed is x minus y into hours. Time is equal distance upon speed 2 4 upon x minus y. We take here alternate of x minus y equal 4 by 2. 2 to the 2 to cut. X minus y is equal to. Now solve these two equations with using the method of elimination. Here we can see friends, y के आगे प्लस है, y के आगे माइनस है. Here is not need to multiply any coefficient. So here equation 1 plus 2, x plus y is equal to 10, and the second x minus y is equal to y cut हुआ 1x plus 1x, 2x is equal to 12. गलती से subtraction न हो जाए friends. So x is equal to 12 by 2, 6 to the 2 to cut, x is equal to 6. Now the value of x substitute in any equation as you like. Substitute in x plus y is equal to 10, 6 plus y is equal to 10, y is equal to 10 minus 6. So y is equal 4. Thus friend, we find at last the speed of Ritu's speed of rowing water, rowing in still water. Thus Ritu's speed of rowing in still water is 6 km per hour, 6 km per hour, and the speed of current is 4 km per hour. So this is the answer friends. It's superb example. Enjoy this some friends. Thank you very much.